Welcome to Lamudi Pro. In this quick guide, we'll walk you through how to upload a new property to your account. Before we begin, make sure you're logged into your Lamudi Pro account. Just go to pro.lamudi.com and enter your login details. To get started, click New Property. You'll be asked to fill out key sections: operation, address, media, property description, and contact details. Make sure to prepare all the necessary information. Select if your listing is for sale, for rent, or both. For this demo, we'll choose sale, then set the property type to condominium. If it's a foreclosed or bank-owned property, toggle this on. Type the project name and select from the drop-down. The address will fill in automatically. You can adjust the PIN using the map controls. If the project isn't listed, you can enter the address manually and drop the PIN. You can also choose whether to show the exact location or just the general area. For accuracy, we recommend showing the exact position. Next, fill in the property details: floor area, number of bedrooms, bathrooms, floor level, parking, furnishing, construction year, and community fees if any. Enter the price, select the ownership type, and upload your property photos, up to 200 images. Just drag and drop and wait for them to finish uploading. You can rearrange images and choose which one appears as the main photo for a better property walkthrough. You can also add floor plans, YouTube video links, or virtual tours if available. Select the property's amenities, like air conditioning, balcony, or pool, and nearby establishments for convenience. Add a reference number of your choice, then create a title. Use keywords people often search, like property type, project name, and location. Write a clear and detailed description. Include an overview, amenities, nearby landmarks, directions, and payment terms such as reservation fees or monthly amortization. In the contact section, you can input multiple emails, your phone number, WhatsApp, Facebook, or Viber. Once done, you can either save as draft or publish your listing. Your published property will appear here. Click to review and make sure all information is accurate. You can activate featured listing, unpublish a listing, or click the link icon to see where it's published on Lamudi, .property, My Property, and more. And that's how to upload a property on Lamudi Pro. If you need any help, feel free to contact us at hello@pro.lamudi.com.ph.